Starting grid, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, we got all our marshals. All right, here we go. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8, 10. All right, here we go. Couple crashes here on the first lap. Oh, lots of crashes. I got Jorn leading the way into 2, followed by Max into 3. Barack into 4, Philip, Noah, William, Micha, Christian, Senna, and Mike. Jorn with a 20.9. Max with a 21.1. Barack 21.6. Good marshaling. Yeah, you were there. All right, you're on your leader. You're on your leader. Mika is in, or Max is in second. Followed by Barack, then Philip, then Noah, William, Micha, Christian, Mike, and Senna. 21.8 there for Micha, 21.7 for Barack, 21.1 for Max, 21 flat for Jorn. I'll get over to front side double. Ray's 36 is up next. It's Jorn, Max, Barack, Micha, William, Noah, Philip, Christian, Mike, and Senna. We're halfway there, 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Jorn 21.2, Max 21.2, Barack 21.5, Micha 21.0, William 22.1. Jorn 21.2, Max 21.2, matching lap time, 2.1 seconds the gap between Jorn and Max. $21.0 for Jorn, 21.1 for Max, 21.1 for Barack, 21.4 that time for Barack. Barack coming up here on Christian. Thank you very much. Philip up to the 5 spot now. 22.1 for Philip. $1:30 to go. 1:30. Minute 20. Jorn having a crash there. He's got to move Max to the lead. Oh no! Driving the wheels off the 10 truck. All right, go ahead, Esme. 1 minute, so Max Gotzel now to the lead in a green machine. Jorn right behind him. The gap 3.7 seconds. Max looking good. Here come Max across the line, 20.9 that time. His fast lap on lap 13. Bjorn behind him, 21.0. Down to 15 seconds to go. Not about 10 seconds to go. Bjorn, you're done. Bjorn, you are done. You'll be done when you hit the line, guys. Keep going. Everybody else, keep going. Waiting for Noah and Phillip. Track still hot, coming down the line. Waiting for Phillip, and time. Max gonna win that 15.5.18.